Hey, it's Gina with WTI. Do you have a large room that you want to divide into separate areas? That was something that my husband and I really needed to do in our rec area in our warehouse. So when I saw this curtain track that came with a curtain from Hoeflife, I knew that it would be the perfect solution. This comes with all the hardware that you'll need for an easy installation. I would recommend having some kind of power tool in order to install the screws. That just makes it go a lot smoother and quicker. We chose to hang this on our ceiling, although it does come with brackets to put on a wall. The curtain track we got was 144 inches and we only needed 132. So we went ahead and just cut that down with a metal saw. This is Blackout fabric, and what we really love about it is that it's insulating. So in the little room that we cordoned off with this, we have heaters and we wanted that heat to stay inside there. And this has made such a huge difference. It's amazing. The track is super smooth. It opens and closes quickly and it's strong. My cat is always jumping on these curtains and it's supporting her weight. So that's worked out really well. I'm so pleased with the value and the functionality of this whole setup. I think that you're going to love it too, and that's my point of view.